LG V30 is a confident step forward, not just for LG's experimental smartphone branch, but for its flagship devices in general. Simply put, this is LG's best in recent memory, and as a result, it's also one of 2017's best smartphones. Starting on the front, LG's full vision 18:9 aspect ratio tech is on display here, complete with a gorgeous 6-inch OLED, finally, display tuned at 2880 by 1440. While there are still bezels at the ends and the sides of the V30, the presentation renders them to be quite understated, letting the screen stand at the center of the stage. In fact, we really appreciate having just a little bezel on the sides, as it lessens accidental presses while typing or playing a game. Around its glossy steel siding, you'll find a tactile volume rocker to the left, and a cement microSD tray on the right. Down below, there's a bottom-firing speaker grill next to the V30's USB-C charging port. Up top, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is your one-stop shop for experiencing the phone's hi-fi audio capabilities. LG has never been one to let us down in this department. Flipped over on its slightly curved glass back, the phone's fingerprint sensor, which doubly works as its power button, sits right in the middle, a more ergonomic location than Samsung's choice with the Galaxy S8 and Note 8. The visual interface is LG's own laid over Android Nougat 7.1.2, and if you're used to stock Android, there will be a bit, but not much, of an adjustment process. On our final unit, which is tied to T-Mobile, there are a few carrier-specific apps, but otherwise, there's no bloat away or loaded in sight, and this trim offering is complemented by the interface's quick operation.